Hey, it's ClayTrader. I'm going to try to go long here. I'm going to put an order in at 9.55. Not quite sure I'll get it, but based on, let's first get that locked and loaded. There we go. So 9.55 there. Then I'm going to go for a quick 5-cent score. If I do get filled, which I just did right there, I am now in at 9.55. Looks like it's going to pull back some more. So if I need to, I will build a bigger position and go for an even bigger score. But again, just looking for a 9.60 entry for a 5-cent move here. So it's down here. It's the overall trend is bullish. So the path of least resistance now is upwards. So I'm not really too concerned or anything at this point. I mean, the trend is in my favor. Obviously would like to see the price up at 9.60 right now, but it's like I said, the overall flow of things is in my favor. So no need to panic or freak out or anything like that. If I am going to build a bigger position, I'm going to want to see it drop further than what it is right now. So I'm not going to be buying any more shares at this point in time. But yeah, I am in and looking for a 9.60 exit point. That would give me a nice little quick score there. So we will see what happens. I don't want this video to get running too long, but it looks like if I'm going to get filled or anything like that, I will be back to update it. Looks like looks like there's some little miniature resistance up there at the 9.56-ish, 7-ish area on level 2s here. So it's going to have to fight through that. But yeah, I will keep you posted if it looks like it's going to get, whether or not I start to build another or bigger position, or if I looks like I'm going to get filled for the exit point. But that is where the trade currently 9.58, 59. See if we can get up there to get some 60s printing over here. 58, 59. There's some 60s. I am partially sold, or I'm partially filled, I should say. You can see right there I've had 500 shares. There's 1,500 shares filled, and I am out. Oh man, I don't think that was in the capture screen area. Oh well. All right. Well, there is the trade right there. Bought at 9.55, went up to 9.60, out for $250. And I don't know if you did catch it, then this will just be me repeating myself, but it was a slower fill. I got a portion at a time. I first just got 500, then 1,500, then the rest filled pretty much instantaneously. But yeah, so quick little score there. Nothing to brag about, but if you've watched any of my other live trades, this is pretty much what I do. I like to try to pit those areas where the risk versus reward is in my favor, and because I'm not going for a huge score, I don't need some huge swing or anything like that. Just need some sort of movement, and minor movement, I should say. In this case, overall trend pulled. It had made a nice move up, was pulling back, so accumulated some on the pullback. I was willing to buy more to try to build a bigger position, but it just didn't fall, significantly more or anything like that. So just didn't really make sense for me to do that. But just looking at the chart right now, if this thing came all the way down to 9.30, I'd certainly be interested again. But we will see what happens. Well, I'll try to keep this one short. I know some of my other live trade ones are always a little bit longer. Sorry about that. I'm trying to work on my website server issues right now too, so I'm juggling. But you can see it's pulling back now. So if it looks like it'll come down here to 9.30, maybe we'll try to just get 2 trades in one. So let me get this locked and loaded just in case it does go down there. I'd like to see it, get down there in a hurry. So 9.30, I'll put that in right now. Just always double checking things. I've been known to not double check, and then I get myself into a position when I'm not wanting to be in it at a specific price. So we'll see if that gets tested. Maybe we'll catch a couple of trades here, but yeah, I will keep you posted. But if it doesn't look like it's going to happen, I'll just end it, and we'll just use now it's up at 9.32, that moving average that I'm watching. But regardless, yeah, we'll and the trend is starting to roll over. This is a little bit bigger pullback, so I'll need to be careful. And I have this white line down here. It's just a previous point that I'm also keeping an eye on. But now that this moving average is above it, I'm a little bit more interested in that. But I don't know. I think there's been enough videos already where that they're kind of long. This one we've already caught a trade. It's already, and it's happened quickly. So maybe I'll just not worry about trying to get 2 trades in here, and we'll keep this video short. So on that note, not going to worry about it. If you learn something and want to learn more, I'd encourage you to learn about charts. I mean, they're a great tool. They're a great way to eliminate emotion. As you can see, when I was in the trade, I was in the red for a little bit, but and I don't say this in a cocky way, but I was never panicking. I was never really worried, just because I understand the chart. The chart made sense. I knew what the context was and all that good stuff. So with charts, it gives you that ability. And then also, if you want to hang out with me and other traders during the day, I do offer a live chat room. You can find that at ClayTrader.com, and it's dirt cheap membership cost for hanging out with myself and other quality traders. And I send out my weekly alerts in the newsletter. So if you're a swing trader or whatever, I offer that, some stocks that I like for that. So there's really something for everybody. And like I said, it's very cost effective, I should say, for you as a subscriber. So check it out. Again, ClayTrader.com, and you can hang out with me and other traders during the day, stay on top of market movers, market bounces, all sorts of good stuff. So hopefully you decide to check it out. And if anything, read some testimonials. I think those will do a good job of letting you know that it really is a worthwhile service. Thanks for watching.